Yeah, very good afternoon. So we'll straight away start with the class. Probably the first theory class for third year juniors. In a very good afternoon, and I'll just show you a small image. Try to interpret this image. Try to understand this image. From this image, we will go to the next level. Probably looking at the image, you'll get an idea which is that next remedy that I'm going to discuss. Okay. So this is the small image I just wanted to show you. So quickly, what comes to your mind when you look at this particular image? Hope my question is clear. So quickly, what comes to your mind?
The baby looks older, sir.
Okay, very
The
good.
person looks more than his actual age.
Okay, the person looks more than his actual age. Very good. And somebody has written early aging, beautiful, good. And Deepika says this person is very childish. Very good. Many of them have got this answer. Ulas, Bhagya, many of them, majority of them have come up with a common answer. And what is that common answer? That this particular person is behaving very childish. I hope majority of you agree with this, that the man or the person who has been shown here is not acting according to his age. So he is acting very immature, he is acting very funny, he is acting very kiddish. In toto, you don't see any maturity in this particular person. Okay. Now, the idea of bringing this image here, this image might take you to a flashback, or you can think of some characters, some friends, or some elders in your family who behave very immature to their age. I don't want the names of those relatives or friends of yours, but I'll appreciate if you can think of, or if you can have a wild guess, being a third year student, if you can have a wild guess, which are our homeopathic remedies that comes to your mind, yeah, I'm happy. Before I complete the question, your friends have started typing, started answering. Good. I appreciate the enthusiasm. Good, keep it up. So Mike, I'll repeat the question. What is the question that I'm trying to ask here is, which remedies, as a material student, which remedies come to your mind when you come across such constitutions? Okay. So majority of you have come out with the answer, yeah, Baretaka. Very good. Now, Bareta is one remedy that should come to your mind when you come across a person, a child, an adult, an elderly man whose behavior is not appropriate to his age. See, there is again another condition which is exactly opposite. They act too serious, too mature for their age. I am not talking of that criteria here. I am not talking of that condition here. We many times come across people who act very immature, who act very kiddish, very childish. One top remedy as a homeopath, one remedy that should come to your mind is Barataka. Apart from Barataka, for our understanding, we also have remedies like Sikuta. We have remedies like Bufo. Few more remedies, fine, from your syllabus, which can be very childish. Okay. So the main focus in today's class, I am starting a very interesting and a very important remedy. Not only for the theory, even in practice, Vareta is one remedy that we use very often. See, the usage of the remedies, How often you use the remedies in your clinic depends upon how nicely you have understood a remedy. So as a student, it is your prime duty to understand every remedy that is taught to you in a very nice way, so that in future you can apply this theoretical knowledge into practice. Okay. So to make the class more interesting and more, I mean, to have a different kind of learning, what I have tried to do here is I have tried to give, or I made an effort to give Pareto in different age groups. I hope this will be interesting because we never know which age Pareto will come to us or come to our clinic in future. So I have taken this pain of giving you Pareto in different stages, or I have just named this as evolution of Pareto curve. Pareto infant, Pareto child, Pareto boy, Pareto adult, Pareto man, Pareto old man. So this is how I try to classify so that you understand it better. Predominantly from practice, from the books that I have referred, predominantly Pareto is a male constitution. Okay, it does not mean Pareto should not be included for women. I have many cases in my clinic where Barata has equally done wonders in women. But that Barata essence or that Barata material should be there. Irrespective of male or female, Barata still does wonders. So my question for you, and please keep your chat box open and try to understand through images. And I often keep thanking Google Images from where I have taken all these images, which will make the class more appealing, more visually appealing, and it will be more colorful. So to start with, I have just this small image, and we are trying to understand how a Barata child, a Barata infant will be. So any quick inputs from your side? And one keyword that I'll be trying to give you here is, now what has been observed in Baraita, there is a good amount of slowness. They're basically a very slow constitution. Slowness, or Kent and other authors, they give it as dwarfishness. Okay, they are dwarf both physically and mentally. Okay. Now this is a beautiful, strong statement that I'm starting with, which I've taken from the stalwarts. Baraita is dwarf both physically and mentally. Now, if you have the statement clear, if you understand the statement, then you can interact much better. Okay. So, as an infant or as a child, what is that you see in Baraita, or how is a Baraita child? Okay. Now, Barrett as an infant, Barrett as a child, infant. Now, one very important thing, I know you're not exposed or you're yet to start with pediatrics, so it might be a little difficult for you to answer here. Yeah, but I just told that statement, then lot of inputs from the students. Yes, beautiful, good. Somebody rightly said the milestones, the milestones in Barretta gets delayed. So the milestones in Barata gets delayed. So now milestones is what you'll be studying in your pediatrics. So which age, which month the neck holding should happen, which month they should start sitting, walking, uh, when will the dentition starts, all those things. I'll not go into the pediatric part, but do remember one constitution or one remedy that should come to your mind tomorrow in your clinic when you have delayed milestones will be Barata. I repeat one constitution because there are many remedies, many other remedies which have delayed milestones and they will have their own reasons. So Barata is one remedy which has delayed milestones. Okay. Now apart from delayed milestones, what we also have in Barata is, see, now a mother or a grandmother or the family members can identify Barata at a very young age. Okay. No, they can know from their experience that something is wrong with this child. This child is not normally developing the way he should have developed. And this was what I was trying to tell you, that the development in Barata is getting delayed. Okay. For example, his skills, his locomotor skills, or his intellectual skills, all that is observed in Barata, that they're getting a little late, a little delayed. So his enthusiasm with playing, his enthusiasm with toys, the way how he is using the toys, all those things, that intellectual part might get a little delayed in Barata. Okay, so development is slow, and if you just look at the expression of this particular infant, anything new for them. See, you can identify a Barata so young, 6 months, 7 months, 9 months, 10 months. You can identify Barata, but you should know the knack of identifying Barata. Okay, fine. Kids generally enjoy toys, and Barata infant, something new, some different toy. They might go into a timid state, or they might go into a frightful stage or a frightful state. So slow development and very timid. Generally when we see kids, the tendency majority of us have is that we try to get friendly with them, we try to carry them. Okay. Now, there again, there are so many constitutions. For example, if it is a phosphorus constitution, for example, if it is a sulfur constitution, a cannabis constitution, a drug remedy, stramonium, hyos, fine, belladonna. These are remedies who would like to come to you. They are all very extroverted kids, fine, especially for sulfur. Few of the Ophidias, they are very, very friendly. They get friendly. And mother keeps telling you, this child, sir, can go to anybody. Fine. Now, this statement does not hold good in Barata. Okay. However chalu you are, however charming personality you have, with Barata, you might have problems. So Barata is a very timid child. Now, how do you think the child will express herself in this situation? She'll not come to you. She'll be clinging to the mother. Fine. She's not willing to let go of her mother. Fine. So very timid child. So timidity, and this is what, crying on going out. See, they're so comfortable at home. So even if the mother carries this Barata child out, the child starts weeping. Mind you, every child, majority of the kids that we have come across, they enjoy going out. You know, in contrary, Barata is a child who does not like going out. We have again the same remedies I'll be quoting. We have tuberculinum, we have belladonna, we have sulfur, we have phosphorus. They all will be waiting for an opportunity to get out. You know, dad is going out, mom, brother is going out, aunt is going out. They would like to just go out, go on a bike round given, and they would like to get back. Now, this feature in Barata will be missing. So, very timid, crying on going out, seeing new people. Yeah, now this is again something that I was trying to tell you, that they're not very comfortable with strangers, fine, with strangers. So we'll go ahead. Now I have just tried to give you, or I'm trying to give Barata in different phases, different stages. We started with infant, now preschool, meaning uh, the nursery schools or the play homes that we have. So again, as a homeopath or as a normal individual, you would have observed, if you stand near the school or near the play school, you have that good observation skills. You see many kids coming to the play school, fine. and how each constitution, how each remedy from mother will go to the school. That's again a beautiful exercise that we see. So there are many kids, the moment they see the school gate, the mother is carrying, they get down from the mother, they happily enter the school, they say bye to mother, and they beautifully enter. Now you have few constitutions here. Which remedies can you think of as a third year student? When you have a child who is happily getting into the school, see, the purpose might be different. It might be to learn, or it might be to mix with friends. Again, they're too young. Let's not put the pressure of learning here. But kids who would like to go to schools happily enjoying, again, all those extroverted remedies will come to your mind, should come to your mind. Like for example, somebody has written beautifully phosphorus, sulfur, cannabis, fluoric acid. Fine. These are few remedies who would love to go from the mother. And if you think of the opposite scenario where you'll be seeing, the mother, the child will be holding the mother tight. Many times the preschool ayahs, the preschool teachers, they literally come, snatch the child and they go in. Fine. Now, these are a different set of remedies. Okay. Now, what remedies can you think of when you see such kind of children? Who would not like to go, who would cling to the mother. One remedy is Calcarea. Very good. Somebody has given it right. Calcarea, probably Ullas. Yes, Baretas, Calcareas. Fine. So these are few remedies that should come to your mind. The clinky remedies. Okay. Pulsatilas. Okay. The natrums, the borax. Fine. So these are few remedies that should come to your stramonium. Again, a very frightful remedy. Fine, these are few remedies that should come to your mind. So when I say how a Barata child will be in the preschool age, what should come to your mind is they are the kids who will not happily go. Fine. And I told you for Barata, even going out of the house is a big task. Fine. So for them, any new atmosphere is very difficult to adapt. So that quality of adapting is not very much seen in Barata. Okay, so preschool they might have problems going to school, fine, and we'll go a step ahead because preschool and school lot of activities will be happening which will be similar. So Barata child in school. Now, can I have some quick inputs from your side? How will a Barata child be in school? It could be one of us. Okay, child will be frightened. Good. Okay, more than, yeah, child will have few friends. Good. Somebody has told child will isolate himself. Very good. These are all the nice words that we will try to understand. They are slow in learning. Good. Late learners. Absolutely fine. They're introverted. They isolate themselves from friends. Okay. They hide. Beautiful. I'm happy with the words that you're using. See, the words you use reflects how much of Beretta you have understood, or at least I'm happy you're in the right direction of understanding Beretta. So Beretta child in school, see, first of all, for them going to school itself might be a pain. Okay, and they have fear of mixing with people, very timid kids. See, now this is how now if you can recall, this is how kids, these are few set of kids who will not let go the mother, and mother says no, 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 I'll come back by 12 o'clock, only 2 hours. Nice, madam will give chocolate, you learn this, that, etc., etc. But child keeps clinging to the mother. No, 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 I don't want to go. Now this clinging in Barata is because of fear. Okay, Beretta as a child, they're very timid. Now you can see few of you have given me the words I've taken from Google images, the right images so that you understand better. So you see them being very timid, very shy natured. They keep peeping through the, see if you can see this image, don't forget. one beautiful image of Beretta. They close themselves and they keep peeping through the gap between their fingers. Very timid child, okay, very bashful, timid, and for example, if they get into the school, which happens with a lot of difficulty, though they have got into the school, adjusting to the school environment can also be a big challenge for Barata child, fine. Now, what is that challenge? Is basically a shy guy, so mixing with people is a challenge, and is a very slow guy. He does not understand things. So, what teacher tells, understanding that again can be very, very difficult with Baratas. Okay, so if you can see the teacher here, the teacher has to spend more time. The teacher has to change the way she is explaining. If a teacher explains in a normal way, many students might understand, but Barata might have a little difficulty in understanding what the teacher is trying to tell. So teacher has to get back to Barata one to one. She has to tell it in a different way, two times, three times, and probably Barata might understand it better. Okay, so they have comprehension, not only studies, even any task that is given. For example, a game, building blocks, or some task, simple task, which happens in that preschool age, Barata might have difficulty adapting to those new tasks. Okay, so slow learners, yes. See, slow learning, it could be in studies, slow learning even when it comes to play. So they're slow learners, they take a lot of time to understand. Now this, if you see the image, Barata during explanation, he might get lost. Now why Barata get lost? Could be because what the teacher is explaining, Barata might feel difficult to comprehend. The explanation given by the teacher, which others, friends of his age, they are understanding. See, individualization. Not all of us are same. And Dr. Hanuman has beautifully told in Argana. So each child will be different. The way each child grasps, the way each child understands will be different. So here he has problems with understanding. So there is something called as absent-mindedness in children. So children will have comprehension issue. They might start having memory issues, and they may start having absent-mindedness. Only remedy given in your repertory: absent-minded in school children. Only remedy is Barata. I hope you are understanding the depth Barata carries. Okay, so concentration difficult. Yes, see, naturally all these things will lead to confusion. I hope this is the end result. When you are not able to concentrate, when you are not able to comprehend, you will definitely land up to confusion. Probably many of us should be going through the same stage now, or you can recall, must be you would have gone through, and with lot of difficulty would have come out. Okay, so confusion of mind, and naturally they have difficulty in comprehension. If you just see parents, teachers, they have to spend more time so that the child understand things better. Okay, yes, you see the child crying, not that the child is not interested to study. He's not like Hyos, he's not like Sulfur, fine. He's not a mischievous child, and not that he doesn't want to study. He has that willingness to study, but he is not able to understand. He is not able to comprehend. This is very, very important. Okay, they learn poorly. Child cannot be taught. See, if mother has got a little impatience, then she might give up on this child. Okay, because this child needs to be told things repeatedly. Comprehension, easy. You have a different set of remedies there. Unfortunately, this child comprehension is difficult. He is Beretta. Okay. So comprehension difficult. And for example, I just wanted to ask a small question here. Can he be Beretta? So this is the question I wanted to ask. Now, can he be Beretta is a question that I've asked. Now you see a child who is on a laptop. Now many of you are coming out with the answers no, 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 no. Unfortunately, not a single yes. But I would say yes, he can be Beretta. See, the Beretta, for example, if you give a laptop and if you give this and if you have tuned, see, this is how you on and this is where your you go here, this is where your movie or this is where your document is. Yes, Beretta gets programmed only to that. So he may be Beretta, he may not be Beretta. Okay. On the first thought, Beretta may not touch a laptop or Beretta may not operate a laptop because it's a very big gadget for him. But if Beretta is trained, boss, see, this is how you do. Yes, he might, but he will not explore. He will not explore like other kids. What are all the other operations you have? What are all the other softwares you have? That exploring nature, that inquisitive nature may not be there in Beretta. If he is sulfur, if he is HIOS, yeah, he would explore a lot of things. He would open this, he would open that, which might be missing in a Beretta child. Okay. Now, yeah, I'll finish Barata child and then we'll take a small break. We'll log in for Barata adult. Now, if you just see here again, they'll have a lot of memory issues. He would have just studied and again he forgets. He or she forgets. And they have problems in recollecting, recalling. Yeah, I just read, I don't know what I read, kind of a feeling. Fine. And you also see that, yes, the timidity continues. Okay. Uh, they doesn't talk. They doesn't talk much. Now, why they don't talk? This is out of timidity. They don't know what to talk. They're timid kids. Now, doesn't mix. You can see beautifully written. If his friends are playing, Barata will not go out and play. They just withdraw themselves and they will not get into playing because what to play, how to play might also be a big question mark in Barata. And Barata also has a bad fear opinion of others. If I don't play or if I don't play properly, what will the other person think about me? Okay. Delusion laughed at. Oh, if I don't play properly, they might laugh at me. So these are few thoughts that will keep running in a Barata head. Fine. So they don't, play much. They're more indoors. You don't see them going out. Now this, if you just see here, what is it? This that you are seeing here, a child standing in between or in middle of a road. Now this amounts to foolishness. I hope you are getting. See, you don't become great if you go stand in between a heavy road where there are a lot of cars going. They don't understand the seriousness. If I go stand in middle of the road, yes, some car might come and bang me. So that maturity will be missing in Barata. So foolish courage is what we call it as foolish courage, audacity. And if a school is giving them some projects to do, Barata child will be confused. Which project should I do? Should I do this or should I do that? So that confusion, not able to decide one thing. All these factors will come up in Barata. Okay. Yes, I was telling you about Barata being a timid child. When I say timid child, naturally they will have a lot of fears. So common fears Barata has is fear of strangers, fear of people, fear of evil, fear opinion of others. Okay, fear something wrong will happen. Okay, fear of new task. So these are few fears Barata will have. And Barata at home, again, if you just recall here, Barata, they will not uh, enjoy venturing into different toys. Okay. So see, as a kid, we have heard of Sina, we have heard of Chamomila. They're very capricious. They want this toy, that toy. They play for a few minutes, they throw, they want another toy. That is Sina, that is Chamomila, and other remedies. But if you just give them one toy, they don't understand that toy, so naturally they'll be doing this that, and they'll be engaging themselves with something like that. They might have difficulty in concentration, difficulty in understanding. Even that building block, if you just give them that what that game, they may not come out with something very innovative. Fine, they play for some time, they don't understand, and then they lose interest in that game, and then they feel, let me not get into another toy, get into another game, because this is complicated and this is not which comes in my purview. So they just give up. Okay. So yes, I told you mothers should have more patience. They have to spend extra time. Okay. And yes, now for example, if you have an irritated impatient mother who can't understand Barata child, then things might be a little difficult. Similarly, if a guest come home, okay, now what do you think Barata will do? We've already discussed. Barata will go hide behind the mother, or Barata will lock himself in the room. Okay, so see, there are kids who will be waiting for guests to come. Fine. Okay, and they know, even now lockdown, the kids lot of energy. Now this lockdown period might be a very nice period for Barata, because of COVID nobody is coming home. I mean, it's very comfortable. But in that place, if you think of phosphorus, if you think of sulfur, ios, stramonium, or people, varat, tuberculinum, who have got a lot of energy, who wants a lot of people coming in, this is a wrong stage because of the pandemic. But Beretta, if just come home, they go hiding behind the mother, or they go hiding in the room. Okay. Because of foolishness, you can also see them sometimes being very stubborn, being very obstinate. With friends, we have already discussed, they will not mix very easily. They also have this fear that friends might laugh at them, because they know their capacity, that they can't adapt. Okay, so they have that fear. uh, we will log out quickly and then come back, and we'll rejoin so that I can talk to you about the remaining part of Barata child, and if time permits, we'll try to take up the adult.